Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Shakir. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So today's vlog is gonna be the trip to the derma, as you can see from the title. I should think, yeah, it's in the title. So I'm going to the derma today. Well needed. So I have an appointment for today. So yes, I'm taking you guys along. So let's go.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Morning. That's the school I used to go to right there, and me just live up this one. So yeah. Guys, this is the school I used to go. This is Rock River All School. Yeah. I'm gonna call this one teacher. Well, one teacher, remember. So I'm gonna call it that one teacher. Guys, look at the field that's on there. I always burn people foot on. This is where I learned to run. I was running here. Cool. Yeah. Nice, nice. Oh, they have rabbits. So cute. Back, guys, from Maypen. I got back a few, like probably about an hour ago. But I was hungry, so I went straight to eat and so on. So yeah, I got some stuff and I want to show you guys what I got. They're not all from HUA, but this is my bag. I went to HUA and I went to what do you call it? It's a, what's the store called? It's a stationery store, but I don't remember what the store called. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's in my bag. So the first thing, I bought some big round stick ultra fine pens, and I sell these because normally when I'm in my class, kids will come up and say, "Miss, can I go and buy a pen?" And then like more than half an hour after, them still not come back and them lose out on all the content. So I'm like, when I carry these and sell them, I'm not giving them away, you know, sell them. Then they don't have to lose out on all the content and they come back and understand. I'm coming with the extra explaining. So yeah, about that. The next thing from that store I bought a sketchbook. So I want to start to draw and stuff like that. So it's just a plain old book, sketch pad. It has 50 sheets and all of that. So that is that. And then next thing I got some drawing pencils because I don't have any drawing pencil. This is 2H and 2B. Ladies, one of them is darker than the other, but I don't remember which is which. But yeah, and because those pencils don't come with erasers, I bought an eraser for that, and this is the rainbow eraser. It's so cute though, you know. All right, so then the other things are from HUA, and I bought my relaxer. I bought 2 boxes because since I haven't done my hair in a while, I'm gonna need 2 of this. So I bought 2 of that. And still in the hair section, I bought some of these. There are some plastic what do you call them, shower caps, but what I use them for is to steam my hair because I don't really use them in the shower. It came with, how much did it come with? 12 pieces. It was like $150, so it was quite cheap. $150. So yes. Then the next thing I went in to buy my shampoo and conditioner, but I couldn't find the Dark and Lovely shampoo and conditioner that I got. I found the shampoo but not the conditioner, and that's the one that I needed most because I still have some of the shampoo left. So I ended up buying VO5. So I bought VO5 strawberries and cream with soy milk, and I bought the shampoo for it, and I also found the conditioner for it. So yeah, I bought them both. So yeah, that concludes what I got today. The whole mission for today was not to buy stuff. The whole mission was for the hair and for the face and stuff. So I got this from the doctor. She gave it to me. It's what, Keto Plus shampoo for dandruff and, I can't call that word, dermatitis of the scalp. So this is what it looks like, and I'm thinking this is probably a small, I'm thinking this is like the small version for probably like the big version, because this could never be it. This could not be all, like there is no way. So anyways, this is it. So hopefully I got a prescription. I'm gonna try and see if I can fill that between now and next week or probably next month, because The things them look expensive. To me, in my mind, them look expensive. But yeah, she told me I could continue using my Cetaphil. So I'm gonna get my Cetaphil stuff online. Cause you know, well, probably if you weren't watching my channel from then, you wouldn't have known. But Cetaphil in Jamaica, quite expensive. So I bought them online on Amazon, and they worked out great because I think one Cetaphil in Jamaica is for like 6,000 something. I got all, I think 2 products or 3 products for the 6,000 something. So it works out cheaper if I buy them online. So yes, I'll catch you guys later. All right, morning guys. It is the next day. I'm going to the pharmacy so I can fill the prescription. So yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh. I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You ain't giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, so I'm actually gonna edit this video. I'm gonna just end this video right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which hopefully it will be early next week. So I'm gonna start editing it after I'm finished with this one. So yes guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.